Hey, what's up guys? My name is Jimmy, and in a previous episode, we installed a short ram intake in my 2003 Toyota Celica, and today I'll be making a heat shield for this car. So what I plan to do for this is to use a cardboard box, like this one, to encase the air filter, while also having a piece that kind of attaches right here to the front bumper vents that's going to suck in the cold air, or at least help regulate the temperature within the housing of um, the heat shield.
I really wanted to use a 3D printed casing, but I ran out of filament mid-print, so we're going to stick to just cardboard.
This is what I ended up with. Honestly, all I really need is the top part right here, so it's not that bad, but I don't know what's going on there. This is something I need to figure out, but this side's supposed to be empty. This is just the support, so it's not that bad, but we'll get something figured out. I'll probably just end up putting cardboard right here, and yeah. After removing most of the support material, this is what we have left. Here's a hole for the intake piping, a little missing piece here, but aside from that, we have a little vent right here so that the intake can suck up the cold air that is coming from the front bumper vent.
Because of the printing error, I just made it out of cardboard instead. This is what it looks like in the car with some added insulation pipes at the top. After checking the fitting, I decided that it was a good fit, so I wanted to move on and add the insulation on to the cardboard. So I just used aluminum foil because it's cheap. I had some heat resistant tape to hold it together as well, and this is going to keep all the heat from the engine bay outside of the heat shield. After finishing the wrapping, this is what it looks like in the engine bay. But I'm not done yet. I'm going to add more, make this a little better. Starting off with some spray paint. I added little pieces of insulation pipe to direct the air coming from the straight bumper straight into the air intake. Hopefully this will keep it cool and make it go vroom vroom. But before I could finish the project, the hood was not able to close, so this was another big problem that I had to deal with. This might have been a bad idea, but I poked some holes behind the front bumper vent so that more air could get through and it would be vented directly into the air intake. We are using a leaf blower to test the airflow through the front bumper. It was alright, it wasn't the best near the air filter, but it's better than nothing. After driving around for a little while, this side feels way hotter than this side. So that means this is working pretty well. The paint is holding up somewhat. Tape might be coming off a little bit, but it's still working pretty well. I don't really have like a thermometer or anything to measure, but just off of my hand, I feel this is way cooler than this. So nice, it was a success. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was really fun being able to design and create my own heat shield, and I hope that this video can encourage you guys to do the same. If not, it'll encourage you guys to make something yourself. But before we end off the video, I do have one last message for you guys. And that message is John chapter 3, verses 16 to 17. For God so loved the world that he gave his one and only Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish but have eternal life. For God did not send his Son into the world to condemn the world, but to save the world through him. This is a powerful message, and growing up, I was Buddhist. Now I'm a Christian, and I have a relationship with Jesus Christ, and I urge you guys to either do your research, read the Bible, and just seek that relationship with him. If you guys have any questions, please reach out to me, please comment, and I'll try my best to answer. And yeah, have a good one.